6-yard box there. Frankfurt carries on. Here is Saka. Aubameyang's among those waiting in the middle. Ball is, and Arsenal somehow missed the chance. Willock and Aubameyang seem to get in each other's way a little bit there.
Should be 1-0 to Arsenal. It's a fantastic opportunity.
Young Joe Willock. Here comes the Arsenal corner kick. Oh, Martinelli, tremendous save. It really was there by Runoff, the goalkeeper, the deputy goalkeeper, in fact, standing in at the
opportunity straight up there, supporting. I don't know if he's just been told that back six tonight, the 4 and the 2 holding mids, just to stay back and protect and let the front four go and express themselves in attack.
Abraham didn't manage to clear it, and Saka couldn't quite dink that over the goalkeeper Runoff, who's down injured now. Yeah, the referee's going to stop the play because of the team right on the back of that.
Looks like we're making a change as well.
Guendouzi, it looks like there as if he was feeling something, but at the other end, Aubameyang just slightly overran it and miscontrolled it. Portugal, well, they are at the moment. Now then, Martinelli, late in the first half. Driven across the face of goal, and this time it is in from Aubameyang off the underside of the bar, and Arsenal grab the lead in stoppage time in the first half. And the striker continues his record of punishing Eintracht Frankfurt every time he plays them.
What a great time to score as well, just going in right before half-time.
Can have an important role to play. Kamada, 1-1. Lovely strike from him. Eintracht Frankfurt a level. And the Japanese international has done it with the sweetest of strikes.
Saw it was coming, they had a slight momentum. Arsenal weren't getting up to the ball quick enough. It's a fantastic strike.
Changes he's made, making a little bit of a difference at half-time. First ever European goal that for Daichi Kamada, the 23-year-old former J-League player from Japan. Helps it on, so helps it on even more. And then Kostic with a cross shot, but good save that. Down to his left from Martinez.
It's a good save from Martinez there. You see now Eintracht Frankfurt getting into their rhythm, moving it from left to right.
Out it comes, Kamada again, 2-1. He's got them both. And Arsenal suddenly in trouble. What a turnaround. Mustafi down injured, and the face of Unai Emery told a story.
The warning signs were there. It's been coming for the last few minutes. There's still time. There's still time.
Well, there are. That's some of the fans making their views known. There was a lot of that, of course, in the Southampton game. And of course, that goal will only amplify the protests. That is it. Boos ring around a half-full Emirates, a half-empty Emirates, really. 7 games without a win. It's Arsenal's worst run since 1992. A game they looked to be in control of at half-time, but it was turned around by 2 goals by the young Japanese player Daichi Kamada in the second half.